Not 1 year after launching the X70 series, Vivo is back, but this time it's for the X80 series. Just like before, the lineup comes equipped with ZEISS optics that aims to further push the boundaries of mobile imaging. What we have right here is the X80, which is more of the toned-down sibling of the X80 Pro. It comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is the highest configuration you'll get for this model. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box and let's see what this new model or series has in store for us. Hey guys, Kevin here with the Modern Creatures, and welcome to another video. This is our Vivo X80 unboxing and first look. Okay, on to the unboxing. We have the package right here. I have a second camera here so you can see the things clearer and more up close. So there you go. So first thing I did was tear this plastic so we can easily peel this off. Okay, before getting into the box itself, let's quickly check out the details written here. It comes with a 12GB RAM, 256GB of storage, and it comes in urban blue. I think there are only two colors available for the X80, one being the black, and the blue one I think is the exclusive one for the X80s. Not even the Pro has this color, so I'm excited to see how it looks in real life. I've seen images of it in pictures, in videos, but not really up close. The label right here says X80 co-engineered with ZEISS. Imaging is one of the specialties of this device, and after lifting the lid, we are now greeted with the device in this nice kind of teal color, and we have the main camera right here. I'll first remove the phone, there we go, and put it aside so we can continue on with the box. There's another layer right here that holds the phone. After removing that, we're now introduced to a smaller box right here. And there's one more. So we have two separate boxes that houses all the accessories and the guides, I'm assuming. So here we go. Let's first check out this smaller one. Nice. Hey Vika, look, it's cute. You have the manuals right here. Quick start guide, manual, and the SIM ejector. In addition to that, you have this nice phone case that it has the exact same color and it has this kind of textured feel right here. Anyway, let's move on. Let's get to this other box right here. First thing that comes out is the power adapter. So USB-A plug right there, wall socket, and it supports Vivo flash charge. So that should provide you with enough power in the shortest time possible. So let's put that there. Cables are on the opposite end. The USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C. Pretty standard stuff. And the next thing we have is a pair of earphones, which was very common back a few years ago. It's included in every smartphone box, but there came a time that phone brands were like, I think a lot of people, a lot of consumers now have these things and they don't even use them, so they stopped. But now we see a pair of earphones once again, and it now comes in USB-C cable, so that plugs straight right into the USB port right here, since this phone doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack anymore. Okay, you also get replaceable tips for the earbuds. So it also comes in different sizes, I suppose. So it should fit mostly everyone, mostly every user that buys this product. That's it for the boxes. And basically, just a recap, what you have is, of course, the phone itself, the case, charger, power brick, and a pair of earphones with extra tips. So let's go and check out the phone. It's here. We have this plastic sleeve around it, so let's remove that first. I'm really glad that we got this exclusive blue color. What's it called? Urban blue. Why do you think it's called urban blue? Is it urban-y to you? It's the color is very graffiti. We took out the plastic sleeve and here it is in its full glory. First impression, I love the feel of the back panel. It's matte, it's smooth, it feels, I don't know, powdery if it's a thing. It feels very nice to the touch and I just like holding it. It's also nice and slim. I love that the display curves on the sides. Your hand wraps around the device nicely, so that's good. Power button is ergonomically placed. It's easy to reach, but for the volume buttons, yeah, I would have to move my finger, my thumb, the way I grip it for one-hand usage. So yeah. But first impressions, I love how it's so slim and it just sits nicely on my hand. It's a bit top heavy, but it's not surprising since you have this huge camera module right here. It's very glossy as well. If you can see that, it's very glossy. It doesn't attract so much fingerprints or smudges, so that's a very good thing. Check it out. Do you see it? Up top, there are details here, which I like because, you know, I like brands who give attention to details. If you can see there, it says professional photography, like at the small space there. Okay, so you have your USB-C port at the bottom, a speaker grill, but as I said, this supports stereo speakers, so there's also one here. And you also have the SIM tray over here. So over at the sides, you see antenna bands, and over on the right side, you have the button, the power button and volume rocker, along with an antenna band as well. I would just like to point out that the frame has this frosted matte finish, but the back panel, as I said earlier, comes with this smooth and powdery finish. And if you look closely, there's like tiny sparkles, tiny texture. It's just really nice to look at. So I really love the design of this urban blue device, urban blue color. And you have the camera module right here with its triple camera setup. The main difference that this has from the X80 Pro is that the X80 Pro comes with a periscope lens over here on the corner. Periscope is basically zooming in. So if you like taking pictures of faraway things, I don't know, like tip of buildings or whatever, you can use that, you can go for that. But for this one, it gives you coverage for the main and a wide, and you get a portrait camera in 12 megapixels and another 12 megapixels for the wide angle and 50 megapixels for the main camera. So it covers the basics. It gives you wide, it gives you a main camera with, you know, pixel-packed sensor plus ZEISS optics. So basically, ZEISS optics provides you with that look, that vibe of its famous anamorphic film. Basically, what you'll get is movie-like quality, movie-like detail. If shooting videos, making short films, if you're interested in those things, you should be excited about this phone as well. And up front, you have a 32 megapixel camera for your selfies as a punch hole selfie camera. Oh, and one more detail that you should see is that just below the ZEISS logo right there, there's this small print. It says T star, T asterisk. It basically means that the ZEISS sensors are coated with a special film that, you know, reduces glare and gives you sharper color and even sharper detail. So basically, having that T star marking right there means that you get clearer photos, better looking quality. Whatever it is you're shooting videos or photos, you get better picture. So you've seen the general design of the phone, you've seen everything that's inside the box. I have also set this up, so let's quickly go over its key specs. Over here, you see its 6.78-inch display in AMOLED panel. So the colors are very vibrant, it's very bright also, and has clear picture quality as well. It comes with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, so you see smooth scrolling, smooth browsing, and even for games, that should also make a difference if you're into games or, you know, just simply enjoying a smoother movement, higher refresh rate screen. Apart from that, you have this selfie camera right here in this punch hole format, and you also get really slim bezels that they just really make the images pop out. They just make the screen pop out more. It's just more alive. Inside, what's running this phone, the X80 specifically, is a MediaTek Dimensity 9000, which is a really good chip. But the X80 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, if I'm not mistaken. Dimensity 9000 CPU is really great for optimizing your processes and even battery efficiency, power efficiency. It has all those checked. I'm really looking forward to the performance of this device. And for battery capacity, it comes with 4500 milliamp hour. It might not be our usual standard when it comes to smartphones, but let's see how power efficient or battery efficient this phone is over the days or over the weeks that we'll get to use it. Maybe it's not power hungry, or maybe it's the opposite, that it's just, you know, guzzling battery juice. So we'll find out. In terms of charging, it comes with 80 watts of fast charging, so that should be really fast. If you just have a few minutes to charge your phone before you leave, for example, it'll come in handy in those times. So maybe just charge it for 15-20 minutes and get like, what, 50 or 60% of your battery. So that's not bad at all. So we'll see how fast it charges this phone. And that's about it for our Vivo X80 unboxing and hands-on. If you have any questions or anything you specifically want to know about this device, leave them in the comments below and we'll get to them for the full review. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.